Hi, I'm Jack, and this is how to get a lime wash effect with paint. Let's get into it. A lime wash style is a great way to add warmth and texture to your walls. It gives a soft, cloudy look that changes with the light. And the best part is, you don't need any special lime wash paint, just 2 colours and the right brush technique. Start by getting your space ready. Move any furniture away from the walls, put down drop sheets or floor protection, and take off any hooks or pictures. Give the walls a good clean with sugar soap to get rid of dust and grease. If there are any cracks or holes, fill and sand the area. Next, apply an undercoat and let it dry completely before moving on. Now it's time to choose paint colours in similar tones. One slightly lighter, the other slightly darker. The primary colour will act as your main wall colour, while the secondary adds that layered textural effect. You'll blend them together while you paint, so they need to complement each other well. Keep the contrast subtle to achieve that soft, natural finish, and both paints will need to be a matte finish. Now it's time to create the lime wash effect. Start by cutting it around the edges with your primary paint colour. Keep your brush strokes loose and fan them out slightly so the edges don't look too clean or defined. That way, it'll all blend nicely in the next step. Then, create a divider in the middle of your paint tray using masking tape. Grab your 2 paint colours and pour the first into one side of the tray and then the second into the other. Use a wide block brush and dip just the tip across the 2 paints. You just want a light load. Too much and it'll look thick and streaky. Wipe off any excess before you start brushing. Begin in the middle of the wall and use loose, crisscross or swirling strokes. Keep your movements broad and spontaneous. Imagine you're painting a cloud. Blend the colours together as you go, keeping your brush orientation consistent so the lighter and darker tones stay defined. Keep the edges wet to avoid harsh lines and work in small sections, stepping back often to check the overall balance. If you feel the area needs more depth or variation, you can go over it again once the coat is dry. Don't stress about it being perfect. The more random your brush strokes, the better the final effect will look. Once dry, you'll have a beautiful, soft and velvety texture in your space. And that's it. You've successfully applied lime wash with paint to your walls. If you like this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.